everybody, without further ado, we introduce to you
Quest.
Thank you.
Good job.
We need to take them on the road, right?
You bet.
They could be our intro.
Here's about 3 tunes in a row, mostly featuring, everybody remember Roy Orbison out there, enough people? Yeah. Well, back in the day and in the new days back in the 80s too, he had a couple hits. Gonna start out with a couple things from Roy.
One look from you,
Next couple we're going to do is actually another group that Roy was in called the Traveling Wilburys. And we're going to do a couple from the Traveling Wilburys. That was with George Harrison and Tom Petty and Bob Dylan, Roy Orbison, and the other guy.
Thank you,
Jeff Lynne, thank
Jeff
you, sir. Here's a couple for those guys.
I've been it up and Byron, then set up and I've been shot down. Oh, they're even another was found. And we were killed. Reputation changeable, conditions tolerable, but baby you're adorable. Handle me with care.
I'm so tired of being lonely. I still have some love to give. Won't you show me that you really care?
You can join on this part.
Everybody got somebody to lean on. Put your body next to mine and dream on. I've been bobbed up and I've been fooled. I've been robbed and ridiculed in daycare centers and night schools. Handle me with care. Been stuck in airports, terrorized, sent to meetings, hypnotized, overexposed, commercialized. Handle me with care.
I'm so tired of being lonely. I still have some love to give. Won't you show me that you really care?
One more time.
Everybody got somebody to lean on. Put your body next to mine and dream on. I've been uptight and made a mess, but I'll clean it up myself, I guess. Oh, the sweet smell of success. Handle me with care.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much. Yeah. Well, don't worry, it's all right. And Travel Willenberry's said that a bunch too. It'll be all right.
Well, it's alright.
Riding around in the breeze.
Well, it's alright.
If you live the life you please,
It's alright.
doing the best you can.
It's alright.
As long as you can lend a hand.
You can sit around waiting for the phone to ring,
At the end of the line.
waiting for someone to tell you everything.
At the end of the line.
Sit around and wonder what tomorrow will bring.
At the end of the line.
Maybe a diamond ring.
Well, it's alright.
Well, even if they say you're wrong,
It's alright.
but sometimes you gotta be strong.
It's alright.
As long as you got somewhere to lay.
It's alright.
Well, every day is Judgment Day.
Maybe somewhere down the road a ways.
At the end of the line.
You think of me and wonder where I am these days.
At the end of the line.
Somewhere down the road when somebody plays
At the end of the line.
Purple Haze.
Well, it's alright.
Even when push comes to shove.
It's alright.
As long as you got someone to love.
have to be ashamed of what car I drive.
At the end of the line,
Just happy to be here, happy to be alive.
at the end of the line,
It only matters you're by my side,
at the end of the line.
and I'm satisfied.
Well, it's alright. Well, even if you're old and gray,
It's alright,
you still got something to say.
it's alright,
Remember to live and let live.
it's alright,
The best you can do is forgive.
it's alright,
Riding around in the breeze.
it's alright,
Well, if you live the life you please.
it's alright,
Well, even if the sun don't shine,
it's alright.
we're going to the end of the line.
Here we go.
Thank you so much.
They're getting closer to the center here.
They're working on it.
All right. A night out here, a little hot, but great time to be together. Somebody would say, "Do you do Elvis?" And we'd say, "Well, not like Elvis, but we'll give it a shot." Because it's always someone's going to be singing along, and I can watch you and remember the words. Well, bless my soul, what's wrong with me? I'm itching like a man on a fuzzy tree. My friends say I'm acting wild as a bug. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, well, my hands are shaking and my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own two feet. Who do you think when you have such luck? I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, well, please don't ask me what's on my mind. I'm a little mixed up, but I'm feeling fine. When I'm near the girl that I love best, my heart beats so that it scares me to death. And well, she touched my hand, and what a chill I got. Her lips are like a volcano that's hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, well, my tongue gets tied when I try to speak. My insides shaking like a leaf on a tree. There's only one cure for this body of mine. That's to have that little girl that I love so fine. And well, she touched my hand, and what a chill I got. Her lips are like a volcano that's hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm all shook up.
All right, now he's going to switch his guitar before something really bad happens.
Sounded good in G.
Multi-instrumentalist, you got to be ready.
Well, this is a little earlier than the 1957 All Shook Up. This is by John Mellencamp from 1986. But this-
smiles and guitars and drummers going crack, boom, bang. R-O-C-K in the USA, R-O-C-K in the USA, R-O-C-K in the USA, rockin' in the USA. Well, they said goodbye to the family, said goodbye to the friends. With the pipe dreams in their heads and very little money in their hands. Some are black and some are white. Ain't too proud to sleep on the floor tonight. Goodbye and faith in Jesus, you know that they just might. Rockin' in the USA. Voices of nowhere and voices from the larger towns. I filled our head full of dreams and turned the whole world upside down. There was Frankie Love and Bobby full of Mitch Ryder. They were rockers. Jackie Wilson, Shea Lives, Young Rascals. They were rockers. Spotlight on Martha Reeve and don't forget James Brown. Rockin' in the USA. Hey! R-O-C-K in the USA. R-O-C-K in the USA. R-O-C-K in the USA. R-O-C-K in the USA. Hey! R-O-C-K in the USA. R-O-C-K in the USA. R-O-C-K in the USA. R-O-C-K in the USA. Yeah, yeah!
Thank you for the dancing up here and the dancing back there. The toes tapping almost everywhere, so thank you for being a part of tonight. Now we move to a little more rockin'. Mr. Stevie Ray Vaughan left us with a tune called The House is a Rockin', Don't Bother Knockin'.
Wait a minute. It's the humidity.
Makes his hair do that.
We're going to 1989 for this one.
Well, the house is a rockin', don't bother knocking. If the house is a rockin', don't bother knocking. If the house is a rockin', don't bother, come on in. Kick off your shoes, start losing the blues. This old house ain't got nothing to lose. Heard it all for years, start spreading the news. Well, get out on the floor, come on baby, shake something loose. Well, if the house is a rockin', don't bother knocking. If the house is a rockin', don't bother knocking. If the house is a rockin', don't bother, come on in.
rockin', don't bother, come on in. Up and down the street you can hear the sound of a bad honky-tonkin's really laying it down. Let it all be yes, got nothing to lose. Got a room on the floor, shimmy till you shake something loose. Sing it! Well, if the house is a rockin', don't bother knockin'. If the house is a rockin', don't bother knockin'. If the house is a rockin', don't bother, come on in. If the house is a rockin', don't bother, come on in. If the house is a rockin', don't bother, come on in. Thank you so much. This song kind of like came out with the Temptations, but then the Rolling Stones got a hold of it, and it sounds a little something like this.
I know you want to leave me, but I refuse to let you go. If I have to beg and plead for your sympathy, I don't mind, 'cause you mean that much to me. Ain't you proud to beg, sweet darling? Please don't leave me, girl, don't you know? Ain't you proud to plead, baby, baby? Please don't leave me, girl, don't you know? Now I heard a crying man is half a man with no sense of pride. If I have to try to keep you, don't mind weeping. Keep you by my side. Ain't you proud to plead, sweet darling? Please don't leave me, girl, don't you know? Ain't you proud to plead, baby, baby? Please don't leave me, girl, don't you go. If I have to sleep on your doorstep all night and day just to keep you from walking away, let your friends laugh, even this I can stand. Girl, I wanna keep you, girl, any way I can. Ain't you proud to plead, sweet darling? Please don't leave me, girl, don't you go. Ain't you proud to plead, baby, baby? Please don't leave me, girl, don't you go. Ain't you proud to beg, sweet darling? Please don't leave me, girl, don't you go. Ain't you proud to plead, baby, baby? Please don't leave me, girl, don't you go. Now I got a love so deep in my heart. Every day it grows more and more. I'm not ashamed to come plead with you, baby. If bleeding keeps you from walking out that door, ain't you proud to plead, sweet darling? Please don't leave me, girl, don't you go. Ain't you proud to plead, baby, baby? Please don't leave me, girl, don't you go. I said I ain't too proud to beg, sweet darling. Please don't leave me, girl, don't you go. Ain't you proud to plead, baby, baby? Please don't leave me, girl, don't you go. All right. I want to remind everybody, we are Quest. We'd like to thank the Village of Oregon for inviting us to be here tonight. We really appreciate it. We've been here a number of years and always have a good time when we get here. So thank you very much.
Alrighty. What do we got? Oh,
Well, back in 1964, some of you will remember that year, that day, that time in February when Mr. Ed Sullivan introduced the Beatles to America. And this is one of the tunes they did that night. You're set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, she was just 17. You know what I mean. And the way she looked was way beyond compare. How could I dance with another? Oh, when I saw her stand very much. Thanks for singing along.
We got another one kind of from that about that same time period, I think. Almost on the same year. From what I remember, this song made me want to play guitar. So if you don't like my guitar playing, it's all this song's fault. But I was a little kid, about 8 years old, I don't know how. Yeah, 1964. And I'm sitting in front of the TV, and it's summertime, and a summer replacement show comes on. And I am enthralled with this summer replacement show. Because out of nowhere, it starts, and this music happens. And I said to myself, some way, somehow, I gotta figure out how to go. There's a man who leads a life of danger. Everyone he meets, he stays a stranger. Now with every move he makes, another chance he takes, the odds are he won't live to see tomorrow. Secret agent man, secret agent man, have given you a number and I've taken away your name. Beware of pretty faces that you find. A pretty face can hide an evil mind. Now be careful what you say, you'll give yourself away. The odds are he won't live to see tomorrow. Secret agent man, secret agent man, have given you a number and I've taken away your name. Secret agent man, secret agent man, have given you a number and I've taken away your name. Swinging on the Riviera one day, lying in a Bombay alley next day. Oh, he let the long words slip while kissing persuasive lips. The odds are you won't live to see tomorrow. Secret agent man, secret agent man, have given you a number and I've taken away your name. Secret agent man. Woo. Thanks so much.
Well, we do bounce around with the songs in the different decades. We're going to move it up here a little bit more modern from that one.
But it sounds old.
It sounds old. Anyway, a song by Queen. Crazy little thing called.
So when Freddie was channeling his inner Elvis.
This thing called love, well I can't handle it. This thing called love, well I must get around to it, 'cause I ain't ready for crazy little thing called love. This thing called love, it cries
Like a baby.
in a cradle all night, it swings,
Ooh.
it jives, it's hitchhike and take a long ride on my motorbike until I'm ready. A crazy little thing called love. Gotta be cool, relax. We'll get hip and get on my tracks. Take a back seat, hitchhike, and take a long ride on my motorbike until I'm ready. A crazy little thing called love. This thing called love. Well, I can't handle it. This thing called love. Well, I must get around to it, 'cause I ain't ready. A crazy little thing called love. A crazy little thing called love. 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 Thank you very much. You know, we do album cuts, we like to do longer songs, and then we also have kind of our own songs. And this one's for Frank. Frank, this is his song. He's got a great advice for most of you out there.
A lot of you out there.
A lot of you out there? All right, all of them out there, we'll say.
Little Georgia
Anyway.
Satellites. I got change in my pocket going jingle-ling-a-ling. I gotta call you on telephone, baby, and give you a ring. But each time we talk, I hear the same old thing. Oh, ain't no hunky, don't you see, until I get a wedding ring. My honey, my baby, don't put my love upon no shelf. She said, don't have your own lines and keep your hands to yourself. Ooh, baby, 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 you won't wanna treat me this way. You know I'm still your lover boy. I still feel the same way. That's what she told me a story about free milk and a cow, and said no huggy, no kissy until I get a wedding vow. My honey, my baby, don't put my love upon no shelf. Don't hang no lines and keep your hands to yourself. Hey! Go, baby, go! Hold right here. You see, I wanted her real bad, and I was about to give in. That's when she started talking about true love. She started talking about sin. I said, honey, I'll live with you for the rest of my life. She said, no huggy, no kissy until you make me a wife. Honey, my baby, don't put my love upon no shelf. She said, don't hang your own lines and keep your hands to yourself. Thank you. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Well, I admit, I perplexed the band when I created the set list and I put this song on the set list. They said, well, why'd you do that? And I said, well...
Yes, why did you do that?
Well, I said, you got to tell me before we get here to change it if you want to change. They didn't. I said, I can guarantee a total 100% participation in this song. And they said, yeah, right. I said, no, this is a no-brainer. Because I got to ask, how many here have a birthday? Oh, come on, the rest of you are lying. You're trying to hide something.
There's a lot of faking going on out there.
You got a birthday. You got a birthday, and the person next to you's got a birthday. We've got birthdays. So anyhow, one of the things we can do, actually happens to be my brother's birthday today too. And so here's a song by the Beatles called Birthday.
For everybody out there. You say it's your birthday. It's my birthday too, yeah. You say it's your birthday. We're gonna have a good time. It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. 1, 2,
Wish somebody out there a happy birthday. Come on, they're sitting next to them. Happy birthday, everybody.
5,
You know it's your birthday. Sing it along.
7. Just one more. Yes, we're going to a party, party. Say we're going to a party, party. Say we're going to a party, party.
Well, I would like you to dance. Oh, take a cha-cha-cha-chance. Yeah, I'd like you to dance. I would like you to dance. We'll take a cha-cha-cha-chance. I would like you to dance. They say it's your birthday. Well, it's my birthday too, yeah. They say it's your birthday. We're gonna have a good time. I'm glad it's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. You can go away
Everybody.
tonight saying, they played a song just for me.
All right. Well, we had the British invasion, and shortly thereafter we had the Irish invasion. If you call one guy an invasion, but he dominated the charts with a lot of songs, including his next couple of tunes. Don't want to discuss it. Think it's time for a change. You may get disgusted. Stop thinking I'm strange. In that case, I'll go underground. Get some heavy rest. Never have to worry. That was worse. What is best? Hey! Oh, domino. Romeo, Romeo, there you go. Lord have mercy. I said, oh, domino. Romeo, Romeo. never hear from him, that just means he didn't call. Oh, vice versa, that depends on wherever you're at. Alright. And if you never hear from me, that doesn't mean that I would rather not. Hey! Oh, domino. Romeo, Romeo, there you go. Oh, say it again. I said, oh, domino. Romeo, Romeo, there you go. Say it, Lord have mercy. I said, oh, domino. Hey, hey. I said, oh, domino. Hey, Mr. DJ, I just want to hear some rhythm and blues music on the radio, on the radio, on the radio. All right, all right, all right, Hear the band. One more time. As you brush your shoes, stand before the mirror, and you comb your hair, and grab your coat and hat, and you walk wet streets trying to remember all the wild night breezes in your memory ever, and everything looks so complete when you're walking out on the street and the wind catches your feet, sends you flying, flying. Ooh-wee. Wild night is come, all right. Wild night is come. All the girls walk by dressed up for each other, and the boys do the boogie woogie on the corner of the street. Yes, and the people passing by staring wide wonder, and the inside jukebox roars out just like thunder, and everything looks so complete when you're walking out on the street and the wind catches your feet, sends you flying, crying. Ooh-wee. Wild night is calling. All right. Wild night is come. The wild night is come. As the deep. The wild night is come. Come on and dance. Oh, come on, make romance. Come on and dance. Come on, make romance. The wild night is come. Yeah, all right. The wild night is come. All right. Come on and So, we'll do the same thing. All right. So back in mid-'60s, there was a hit by a group called The Zombies, called She's Not There. Well, in '77, somebody did a remake of that song, She's Not There, and we'd like to do that version of it right now.
No one told me about her, the way she lied. No one told me about her, how many people cried. But it's too late to say you're sorry. How would I know? Why should I care? Please don't bother trying to find her. She's not there. Nobody told me about her, though I all knew. No one told me about her, though they all knew. But it's too late to say you're sorry. How would I know? Why should I care? Please don't bother trying to find her. She's not there. Well, let me tell you about the way she looked, the way she acted, the color of her hair. Her voice was soft and blue, her eyes were clear and bright, but she's not there. But it's too late to say you're sorry. How would I know? Why should I care? Please don't bother trying to find her. She's not there. Well, let me tell you about the way she looked, the way she acted, the color of her hair. Her voice was soft and blue, her eyes were clear and bright, but she's not there.
All right, we're gonna do one more.
Oh, first I was going to say Greg Boyer on drums there. For
Greg
that
Boyer on drums.
solo.
Got some fans out there. Very good.
Dave Topolop. Dave
Topolovic.
Dave Topolovic on guitar there,
you,
impersonating
thank you,
Carlos
thank you.
Santana.
David Haugen on bass guitar.
Thank you. Frank Adamo on keyboards and vocals.
Well, we're going to do one more before we call it quits. Another one by Roy Orbison. We started the set with some Roy Orbison tunes. We're going to end the set with a Roy Orbison tune. You guys know this one.
Pretty woman,
Walking down the street, pretty woman, the kind I'd like to meet, pretty woman. I don't believe you, you're not the truth. No one could look as good as you. Mercy.
pretty woman,
Won't you pardon me, pretty woman? I couldn't help but see, pretty woman, that you look lovely as can be. Are you lonely just like me? Pretty woman, stop a while. Pretty woman, talk a while. Pretty woman, give your smile to me. Pretty woman, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pretty woman, look my way. Pretty woman, say you'll stay with me. 'Cause I need you, I'll treat you right. Come with me, baby, be mine tonight. Pretty woman, don't walk on by, pretty woman, don't make me cry, pretty woman, don't walk away, hey. Okay, if that's the way it must be, okay. I guess I'll go on home, it's late. There'll be tomorrow night, but wait, what do I see? Is she walking back to me? Yeah, she's walking back to me. Oh, pretty woman. Thank you so much.
thank you so much.